Mustang, the land beyond the Himalayas. It is a sparsely populated and climate-vulnerable region, however boasts rich tangible and intangible cultural heritage, including monumental sites such as Sky Caves, Kagbini Mukhtanath Lo Mansang, and festivities such as Tiji, Dajing archery, and Yardung horse riding. It is the fifth largest district by area ranging from 1372 to 8,167 meters, and is located in the Kali-Gandaki Valley of the western Himalayan region of Nepal. Known for its dry and arid landscape, it is also home to diverse flora and fauna. Tsering draws his artistic inspiration from the natural and cultural heritage of Mustang. His paintings reflect his deep connection to the landscape, art, and heritage of this region, and he hopes to inspire others to protect and cherish these invaluable treasures. He believes that art has the power to unite people and bridge cultural divides. He strives to convey this message through his art, as well as inspire and influence a new generation of artists in Mustang and beyond. Tsering, PHONJOGURUNG.